So if it burns out, that's no good. If it burns out too much, it is time to burn, to emit the heat, but it's a time you want to maintain it. So that's all. Stay calm, no rush. Even though there's a lot of things you need to maintain to deal with, but you want to cool here, cool here. If you cool here, you will be okay here. It's called yǎng, literally translated as health preservation. But actually is not quite accurate. What we really preserve, maintain, cultivate, doing good to our body, human body, it's not just 养生 in Chinese. It's called 春生夏长秋收冬藏. Spring is a time to be born, to grow, start to grow, pop up from the ground. And in the summer, it's the time to really fully grow, develop. In the fall, in autumn, it's time to harvest. And in the winter, you want to store whatever you harvested for that season and preserve good seeds for next year. That's what's happening in fourth season in Mother Nature, because that's a bigger cosmos there. What happened to our small cosmos here, small universe here? In spring, we want to practice the birth, kind of give it a little push, help a new beginning. Like what we eat, sprouts, or something just newly grew up, with a lot of mechanism, or a lot of quality, or a lot of energy behind that food. That's called 养生. In the spring, we 养生, we preserve birth, cultivate, maintaining the beginning of growth. But in summer, right now, here, we preserve growth, okay, helping growth. So you do a lot of things, you do a lot of work, a lot of activity. You get up earlier because you wake up early, energetic, and because a lot of activity and labor. Maybe you stay up late, you eat more. You want to maintain because you do a lot of work. Maybe then you're sweet, then you want to make it up. Drink some water or drink some soup, maintain the body fluid balance. It is called 养气生津, nourish qi. Because you do a lot of work, you want to slow down. You want to have a deep breath inside. Inhale, deep, then exhale, slow it down. Get more qi from the big cosmos to your body. You don't want to forget about that. That's what from our ancestors based on the Huangdi Neijing, okay? So it's called nourish qi and replenish fluids, body fluids, by drinking tea, drinking more soup. So ordinary Chinese diary daily, usually we need at least in dinner, we definitely have one big bowl of soup. But a different season has different soup, okay? But in the summer, the soup could be something cool you down, like green bean. Green bean has a quality of cool things down, not like adding the fire or adding the warm, adding heat to your body. It's cools. That's for 养生, 是养长, maintain the growth. Maintain the growth is not just push it to grow. You want to maintain it. There's two ways, yin and yang. One way you want to go with it because it's summer, it's hot, and you want to do a lot of activity. That's good. Then at the same time, you want to pull back a little bit. when you spend a lot of it, you want to make it up. Like you sweat a lot, you want to maintain the balance of body fluid. It's called the yǐng over here. Body fluid. The marker, your body fluid is good enough, or you need something, is no mouth water. It's water in your mouth. If you feel the tongue or your mouth is dried out, that is you're lacking this. And at the same time, because summer is linked to heat and hot, linked to fire. 火, the 5 element: tree, fire, earth, metal, and water. That fire linked to the 5 seasons: spring, summer, long summer or late summer, autumn, and winter. So linked to your heart. Linked to the organ is heart. We say the heart, majority meaning of the heart is not the physical organ, is the emotion, is your thinking, is your spirit. So if it burns out, that's no good. If it burns out too much, it is time to burn, to emit the heat, but it's a time you want to maintain it. So that's all. Stay calm, no rush. Even though there's a lot of things you need to maintain to deal with, but you want to cool here, cool here. If you cool here, you will be okay here. Because you want to do something here. Okay, cool down, cool down. Human, easy to get them. Okay. Expand over here. It's easy. Right? Emotion, get up to your head. But here, you want to cool down, then you drag it back. Okay, it's called stay calm and no rush. Called 稍安勿躁. Just calm down a little bit. You don't need to pull up too much because this is a season to grow, to emit, but just maintain it, not too much. So it's called 稍安, a little bit calm, no rush. Follow the timing. Be alert of the timing, even though you're very busy. You want to follow it. You don't want to go against it. You don't want to exhaust yourself. Cool is down here. If you feel you cannot calm down, do some deep inhale and exhale exercise. Still, drink some green tea, cool down, or drink some green bean soup or some other. You can find something on the internet.